Hey everybody, I hope you're doing well. I'm going to be working on a 16 by 20 canvas today. Everything I'm going to use is going to be metallic, and if it's not metallic, I'm going to show you how to make it into a metallic. And then I'm going to do a pour, and it's part of an art challenge, and it's really just an expression of myself. I have no idea how it will turn out. It's an expression of the layers of a person and how sometimes we wreck ourselves through life, and even through wrecking ourselves sometimes there's so much beauty that comes from it. So I'm hoping to portray that through this painting. So if you would like to just watch, and I'll put a little music on, I am going to show you how I mix the paints very quickly. It's going to be 1 part paint to 1 part Owatrol Easy Flow, which is the European version of our American US Floetrol. And this Owatrol is more expensive, but it's also thicker and a little bit better quality. And it is in my Amazon link below the video. You can get it from Amazon. It's a little pricier than Floetrol, but well worth the trying it out. If you're an experienced pourer, maybe if you're beginning, this is not the one for you. But the quality is excellent. It self-levels beautifully and dries with a beautiful quality to it. I might throw in a little bit of white for some accent, or black, but pretty much I think I'm just going to use these 6 colors. I'm using Master's Touch Brown Red, which is a copper. It's got a beautiful, it's a metallic shimmer to it. This is Artist Loft Metallic Phthalo Green. This is Pebeo Iridescent Precious Gold, number 350. I've got blue here in my cup already. That was Lukas Cryl Studio Cobalt Blue. I've got Artist Loft Violet and Liquitex Basics Quinacridone Magenta. So these 3 are not metallic. So what I'm going to add to them is Artist Loft Iridescent Medium. Not the pearl. There's a difference. They do have a pearl, but this is called Iridescent Medium. You can add it to any color and it will give it shimmer without altering the color of the paint. So it does not lighten the color of the paint, it just gives it sparkle. So I'm going to add a little bit of this to each of them. But like I said, I'm going to do 1-to-1 Owatrol to paint, and then I will add water because Owatrol is a little bit thicker than Floetrol. And with 2 paints and a metallics, they're always going to be on the thicker side. So I am going to add water to get it to the perfect consistency. I'll show you that at the end of my mixing. I'm also going to be painting on a 16 by 20 canvas, which will need at least 12 to 14 ounces of paint. I like to have extra, so each cup is going to have probably about 2 to 3 ounces of paint in each cup with the mixture added to it. I wanted to also point out really quickly, the Pebeo the tube says high viscosity, that means it's thick. So I actually have more gold than I do everything else, but these metallics are always, the 3 metallics that were in the bottle or the tubes, they're always going to yield way more product for you. You have to continually add water till you get to the consistency you want, and it's key with acrylic pouring to get kind of all the same consistency. That's the most important thing. You can use any brand of paint you want. You can use any ratio between the Floetrol or Owatrol and your paint and water, but it's the consistency that is really key, and just getting used to the feel of that. I could show you the shimmer, the paints that I added the iridescent medium to. So if you can see that shimmer, that is how it looks. It's a different look from the metallic tube paint, but it still gives it shimmer and shine. Okay. I added with the fine tip writer some detail. I don't know if you made it out. It's a very abstract butterfly, and the word fly. So that means spread your wings and fly. Here's the shape of the upper wing and the lower wing. From the side there is the body, the antenna, the word fly. It may totally disappear into the paint, and that's okay, because it was all about the joy of painting it and the message that came through. So spread your wings and fly. I love you all. Take care. Bye-bye.